Nice and lovely. Welcome back again with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. It's just amazing to be in the kitchen to give you your favorite drinks and recipe which can fill the gap at home. So hopefully guys will like this recipe and subscribe to the channel. It's just banana, mango and spinach with some honey, a little bit of lemon juice and some ginger. It's very nice and it's coming up to summer. You need something to keep you the way you want to be for this summer. So hopefully you'll find this recipe interested. Please leave your comments below and thank you so much for watching my cooking show. And I want to say spinach is really good for you and also banana is good for you. Thank you so much and see you next time. Bye bye. Nice and lovely guys. Today we're going to make a nice lovely summer drink which is going to be easy and simple to make at home. Basically I have some leftover mango right here, roughly a handful of leftover mango. You can get mango at local shop supermarket to buy. Put the mango just like this inside of it. Then fingers of ripe banana. Few spinach. I love my spinach. Just a little piece of a ginger. And also just a few strawberry, piece up for ice, some honey, a little bit of lemon juice, a little bit of water, and blend this for roughly about 4 to 5 minutes on your blender. All depends kind of blender you're using. My one is a little bit slow, not using the Ninja. So basically this one does work, but you know. Nice and lovely. So that's finished. Basically that's the way it look. Lovely and nice. Look at that. Nice and lovely. So that's exactly what Chef Ricardo is all about today. Natural juice for summer. So basically with this juice now, what you can do is also banana is good for you, the lemon is good for you, spinach is good for you, and also a piece of a ginger is also good for you. So everything inside of this is just natural. So hopefully you will enjoy the recipe. Subscribe to the channel. Please leave your comments. We got a lot more recipe like this coming up for you. And thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. And the mango is just really good. Everything that's blended into one and it's a nice, lovely drink. So thank you so much and see you next time. Bye-bye.